Good morning everyone, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to your daily Ethereum update. In this video we'll talk about Ethereum, we'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about what I expect in the upcoming week, and we'll also talk a little bit about the fundamentals because we have to. And with those fundamentals I obviously mean all the economic fundamentals, economic circumstances, so the dollar strength index, the interest rate, the inflation rate. Basically everything I think you need to know. So let's get right into it. Ethereum today, it actually opened with the Asian markets opening, it actually opened bullish. As you can see right here, you can actually see that we had some nice bullish moves around 2, 3, 4 a.m., at least in my time zone. And then today with the European markets opening, we have dropped down quite massively. A big sell order of 250 million, as you can see, in a matter of 10 minutes, dropped down quite a bit. But yeah, it's just a normal Monday morning, morning of market making. It's institutions entering positions, buying positions, selling positions. That's just what's going on, all right? So we have to kind of calculate that in when analyzing. Something that is a little bit more bearish is that the dollar strength index opened quite bullish today, as you can see. We're nearing the levels we were at Friday the 13th at around 102.5. Now, nothing very bad is going on yet. I mean, we're very far from breaking above this. We're still in this massive downtrend, but short-term bullish momentum here provides bearish momentum for Ethereum. All right, so as I said, we'll just have to take that into account, but still it looks very bullish for Ethereum. As I said yesterday evening, even we broke above this resistance level around 15,040 or 1545. Broke above that, took a break retest, reached this upper bound of this minor key level. As you can see, it's a key level within a key level. And then today, as I said, I mean, we haven't had a bearish breakout yet, but it does look like we're doing that. And today we almost broke back down below, as I said, of that 1545 level. So we're just kind of consolidating here between 1585, and then as a support level we have this major support level around 1500, which is a big psychological support level, but it's also mixed up with the 236 fib, the 28 EMA, which is this blue line that is kind of coming up, and we got some other fibs here. Technically it's a very strong level. And I said this as well in my Bitcoin video. The only way in which we could break through that, so a bearish breakout through that level, the only way in which I think that could happen is if we get some news from the Federal Reserve. Because we all know that the inflation rate went down, that's great, but we need some news from the Federal Reserve as well regarding if they will actually decrease or at least change their monetary policy, adjusting to that inflation rate, because that's what we want. All right, and that's why it's that bullish that the inflation rate is going down. But if they actually say that their monetary policy is not going to change, they're going to keep upping those interest rates, then we will drop back down to at least 1350 and maybe even lower. It's not what I expect, but it's something you should at least know. For now, what I expect is that we can get to our next price target, which is this level here around 1670. It's a technical level, as you can see. But it also got that 2.618 fib above there. So I think we'll get there. It might still take a couple of days because with the markets opening today, I mean, I kind of expect us to consolidate a little bit longer here between ultimately 1480 and 1580. And then at some point during the next week, I think we'll have enough bullish momentum to break through 1580, find some resistance at 1600, because in the end it is a psychological level. Take a break retest and get to our price target. That's what I expect. I mean, right now, in my opinion, the fundamentals still line up very well with this. I think the fundamentals are still bullish. So a small bearish move and a small bullish move for the dollar strength index is to me not a deal breaker. But that's my take on Ethereum for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care. Have a great day and bye.